Hi, and welcome to Anne's Craft Room, where life is too short, so get out those craft supplies. Try something new and make something beautiful just for you. Welcome to my third layout of the All About That Base hub. As you can see, this one has already got the base of it done, and I'm just going to add some more pictures and embellishments to it. So these are pictures of decorations that I used to put around my house. I had saved them. Some were really cheap, some were handmade. I just saved them every year and put them up. And this is the journaling that I put. No matter how broke I was, our home always felt festive. Love made the season bright. The kids' favorite decorations were the handmade stockings from their Aunt Nadine, stitched with care and full of heart. They still have them today, a little worn, but filled with memories. And these are the homemade stockings that my sister had made for my kids. I can't get a very good picture of it, but they love those stockings. Okay, so let's get this put together. I'm going to put my journaling block down first. I didn't use the lines that were in the journaling block because I didn't feel I could put everything I wanted to say in it. And so I did it with my Cricut, and there it is. And then these are two pictures that I'm going to put over here. This was another handmade wreath from my sister. And then these were a thrift store burlap stockings that I had gotten, another handmade crocheted thing from my sister. I had cross-stitched a couple of ornaments and I hung those on the wall. Before I graduated from college, I was actually on welfare, and so Christmas was bleak for us. And my thought was always, if I didn't have to spend money on decorations and just put them up every year, I could spend more money on the kids for presents. And so my house was totally decorated for Christmas. Some used to say I went overboard, but I liked it. And so did my kids. So those are the pictures. Now, all I did for embellishments is I bought this at Hobby Lobby. I got it like 40 or 50% off. And all they are is clear background stickers. So let me take one off and show you. I'll put it back. It's got the clear background. And what I did is, for this one to put in the center, I backed them with craft cardstock, inked them, and put them on a little tag, and that's going to go right here in the center. Probably should put some twine on that. Let me get some twine. What color twine do I want? I think I'm going to go with brown twine. Let's see what I have in here. Or some red twine would work too. I think I'll go with the red. It's at the top. Actually, you know what? I got this red and green twine down here too. Wonder how that would look. I think I'll go with the red and green. I very rarely use twine on my layouts. I need to start using more of it. You know, I think I'm going to use some of the plain red too. Let's see how this does. I'm not liking either one of those. Let's go with my original thought again and do the brown. I just got to get to it because it's way down there. Okay, let's try some of this. I think I do like that better. Let me cut it down a little bit. There we go. Okay, I'll go with that. And then I'm going to put a couple dabs of glue down to try and hold those down a little bit. There we go. Okay. So then I have these little ornaments. And those are going to go right here. Except I got some reindeer that I'm going to put in here. So I want to make sure I have room. There we go, just like that. Found these little wooden reindeer, so I'm going to put those on here. There we go. And then I did 4 of these that I'm going to put in each of the corners. There we go. There's that layout. I hope you like it. I do. I'm glad I'm using up some of my base pages. So now I'm off to do the next one. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you for watching till the end. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and then hit the subscribe button to see my future videos. Thank you and have a great day.